Japón recordó este miércoles los 80 años desde que Estados Unidos lanzó una bomba atómica sobre Hiroshima. La ciudad marcó el aniversario con una ceremonia en el Parque Memorial de la Paz, evento que contó con la presencia de sobrevivientes y dignatarios, incluyendo el primer ministro japonés Shigeru Ishiba. Más de 100.000 personas murieron instantáneamente el 6 de agosto de 1945 y muchas más perecieron debido a heridas y enfermedades a lo largo de los años.
Summer's second heat wave continues to show no mercy in large parts of Spain. The authorities have actually activated warning alerts in 9 different autonomous communities because of the extreme temperatures. That is the case of the south of the country, where the thermometers were expected to soar to 42 degrees Celsius, which is around 108 degrees Fahrenheit. In the case of the capital, in Madrid, here the thermometer reached the 39 degrees Celsius, which is around 102 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is why many have decided to cool themselves off in public pools like the one that you can see in image here. Families, friends have decided to dive, to be lounging on the poolside banks and enjoy a hot day like it was this Tuesday.
In previous years when we've been here, we've been up in the 40s, so yeah, it's normal. I wouldn't like it. If I'd never experienced it, I'd think it was too hot.
We actually like the heat because in the Netherlands it's more or less rainy all day, and so we really like this weather actually.
Spanish weather agency predicts that this heat will continue at least until Sunday, so as long as these extreme temperatures continue, I don't know if you will agree with me, the best is to cool off a little bit in pools like this one.